Hello everyone, welcome back to again grade 11th physical education class. Dear students, last day our chapter 6 revision started and today again 6th chapter continue is the especially chapter number 6 is the physical activity and leadership training. So firstly we will discuss is the main leadership quality and role of a leader. But today our main topic is the role of a leader. But first we will discuss is the leadership qualities. So first, what is the meaning of a leader? Leadership qualities, meaning of leader, types of leader, leaders qualities and role of a leader. First, meaning is a leader. So meaning of leader is the literal meaning of leader is a person who leads others. That means that a leader is the first person of the group. He is the person who takes decision on behalf of the group and is responsible for their outcome. A leader takes the whole group towards progress. This is the main meaning of leader. After this, next topic is the types of a leader. The types of leader is the main. Firstly, there are many types of leaders which serve various functions. Some important form of leaders are as follow. First is the leader is the three types: natural leaders, administrative leaders and educational leaders. So natural leader is these type of leaders have natural leadership qualities in them. These are of two types. First is the born leaders, second is the made leaders. Second is the administrative leaders. Administrative leaders is these leaders manage functioning of a particular group or society. These are of two types. First is authoritative leaders. These types of leaders have the authority and power within the group of execute the progressive plans for the group of society. These type of leaders are extrovert and have confidence in them. Next is the democratic leader. Democratic leaders are chosen by the particular group or society for the betterment of the society. Next is the educational leader. Third type, educational leader. Educational leader is the teachers leader and students leader. Teachers leader is the teachers taught leadership to the students. They help them to be leaders. In the field of the games and sports, leadership of teachers or coaches is a must to develop personality, competition spirits, honesty, loyalty, etc. in the players. Next is the students leader. Students leader, physical education and sports provide players many such opportunities where students can prove leadership qualities. These students leaders play much important role and hold greater responsibilities in the training camps, competitions, tournaments in keeping discipline. Students leaders explain many complications situations and learn how to tackle them in early age. This will help them to be better further leader. Next is the leadership qualities. So leadership qualities is the main. First, it means meaning of leadership, and the qualities of good leader is the inhering the words leadership. Especially first is L, leadership, L, loyalty, E, energetic, A, adjustable, D, dutiful, E, efficient, R, reasonable, S, sincere, H, honest, I, impartial, P, personality. This is the leadership meaning, qualities. Next is the main qualities of leadership is the first leadership and second leadership qualities. Good personality. Main quality is the everyone leader, he is a very good personality. Okay, she is very good personality. Second is the intelligence. Everyone leader, he is a very intelligent person. Third is the cooperative and sympathetic behavior. Sympathetic behavior, everyone helping for others. Next is the knowledge of the subject. Fifth is the good author. Sixth is the sociable. Seventh is the emotionally balanced. Eighth is the sincerity. Next, honesty. Next, regular and punctuality. It means regular and punctual. For example, everyone he's the time punctual. Everyone class in during study, yeah, during sports, he's the punctual at a time, any times. Okay, and regularity means everyone he's the regular due to sports. He is the regular in the going to ground. Due to study, is everyone regular join the classes. Okay, this is the regularity. After this, next topic is our role of a leader. Okay, so I hope you are understand this topic: leadership qualities, meaning of leader, types of leader, leaders qualities, and role of a leader. Main role of leader is the very important. The role of a leader is the especially this one. Leaders first is the through the general functions of the leaders remain the same, what the specific role vary from group to group. This specific role depends on the group with he is representative. The importance of leadership in the field of physical education can be seen in the functions which a physical education leader has to perform. Main role of a leader is given below. First is the leader as a representative. Okay, leader as a representative. So first is the leader is a representative of the group. He represents the all group and is the one who speaks in group meeting. In the field of sports, the leader speaks for the all team. If the team faces any problem, the leader discusses the problem with authorities. He fights for the members of the team. He is the main person who goes forward to take for the team. Leader expresses the idea, views, options, and interests of the group. So leader represents group in various delegations and meetings. Leader takes decision on behalf of a group. This is the main leader as a representative. Second point is the removes confusions. It means removes confusions, yeah, misconceptions of the group members. And so leader is a experienced and expert in the field. Okay, these experience and expertness help the group to understand difficulty, steps or questions. His or her expert opinions removes confusions and misconception of the members of the group. This is the main. Second, removes confusions. Third point is the inspire others. Inspires others means leaders encourage and inspire others to perform better. They motivate the group of improve further. She always motivates and group members to adopt a positive lifestyle. A leader should always appropriate the efforts of his team. Okay, this is the inspire others. Fourth point is the improves coordination. Improves coordination. So coordination is the main part of role of leader. So leader improves the coordination of group. For coordination, leader acts as organizer and distributes the work among the followers. The quality helps the group to work in systematic manner. This is the main improve coordination. Next point is the planning for the group. Planning for group means the leader decides the ways and means by which the group shall achieve its goal. Due to his roles as a planner, the followers develop a feeling that the successful leader can solve all the problems efficiently. A leader analyzes every aspects in the mind while making plan or policy. Leader has to make short as well as long range planning, and it is up to the leader what part of the plan he will let out immediately and what part he will confide only to a few or not at all. This is the main planning for the group. Next point is the role as a motivator. Role as a motivator, leader plays an important role in motivating the group. The process of motivate is required in any kind of learning from the beginning to the end of the task. At every step motivation is required. Yeah, motivation plays a golden role to learning. This is the provide recognition of the group. Next is the role is motivator. Provide recognition of the group is the good leader provides recognition of group in society and impresses everyone. Okay. Next is the role as a motivator is the pending. Role as a motivator, leader plays an important role in motivating the group. The process of motivation is required in any kind of learning. From the beginning to the end of the task, at every step motivation is required. Motivation plays a golden role to learning. Okay, so after this, last point is the improves abilities of the group members. Improves ability of the group members. Good leader improves the various skills and abilities of the group members, thus progress of all. This is the improves abilities of the group members. This is all role of a leader. Okay. Again, we will discuss again full topic. So anyone doubt, students, please send message me after lesson this number. This is my contact number. So anyone student doubt for any topic, please send message me. Okay. So again we will explain. First is the leadership quality. So leadership quality is the main. First, everyone leader is the many qualities. Meaning is the Latin meaning of leader is a person who leads others. The means that a leader is the first person of the group. For example, class monitor, group leader, yeah, anyone sports related team captain. He is the good leader. He is the person who takes decision on behalf of the group and is responsible for their outcome. A leader takes the whole group towards progress. This is the meaning of a leader. Next is types of leader. Types of leader is the main. Leaders is a main, many types, but three types is the main. There are many types of leader which serve various functions. Some important from the leaders are as following. First, leader is the natural leader. So natural leader is the born leader, yeah, made leader. Okay. So born leader is the some individual have very high personality and have inborn leadership qualities. These types of people are very strong and tackle the situation very easily. They play important role in social development and very much helpful during social crisis. Next is the made leader. It is the famous saying, necessity is the mother of invention. Sometimes some leaders are made by the society itself to fulfill the needs and demands of the society. These type of leaders are also known as situation born leaders. Second is administrative leader. These leader many functions of particular group or society. These are two types: authoritative leaders and democratic leaders. Okay. Next is the educational leader. This is also explained on. Okay. Educational leader is the two types: teachers leader and students leader. After this, next discuss is the leadership qualities. So leadership quality is the main meaning of leaderful. Leader: loyal, energetic, adjustable, teachable, efficient, responsible, sincere, honest, impaired personality. This is the all leadership meaning. And leadership qualities is the main good personality. A leader must possess good personality traits which can influence the group effectively. He should have a charming personality. A leader possessing good quality can easily adjust himself to the environment and various situations occurring in learning process. Good personality is the always admired by the group. A dynamic personality leaves good impression on the group. Intelligence: a leader must have a sharp intellect and deep insight. Intelligence leader possess good thinking power and anticipations. He should have good reasoning power for the effective implementation of the task which has to be accepted, for which he has been closest a leader. Next is the cooperation, cooperative and sympathetic behavior. A leader should be cooperative and sympathetic towards his followers. Such attitude can win the hearts of the followers, which will be helpful in achieving the desired goal. The sympathetic and affection attitude of a leader is always liked by the group. The learning process remains interesting. Teens relationship between leads and group always put hurdles in the process of learning and execution. Okay, so after this, the love and affection displayed by the leader is always returned in the same manner. Okay, after this, next quality is the leader is the very honest. An honest leader is always liked by a group. Honesty has good impression on the group on the group, and honest leader will always utilize the material and funds for the better learning of the group, which is always welcomed by the group. Next is the knowledge of the subject. A leader should have vast knowledge and proper understanding of the subject. A deep knowledge of the objective impress the followers. A leader must be equipped with latest knowledge and researching. For example, if a coach is training high jumper and is using old techniques, okay, like Western roll, okay, or the group will not attend to him with interest. On the other hand, if the coach is training high jumper with the latest technique like force, worry, flop, the trainers will automatically be motivated towards learning. So a leader must have latest knowledge, equipment, data, material, references, extra for impressive technique teaching which will be helpful to him for effective leading. Next is the uh, sincerity. A good leader must do his work sincerely. He should be sincere towards his work and follows. A sincere advice is always followed by a group with great interest because the followers feel that this sincere advice is going to help them to a great extent. Next is regular and punctual. Irregularity has Irregularity has bad impact on the group. So good leader must process regularity and punctuality. Okay, this is the main leaders qualities. Okay, so after this, next is the main leader of role of a leader. So role of leader, next point is the leader as a representative. Mean is everyone leader is a representative. Leader is a representative of the group. Okay, a represent the whole group and is the one who speaks is group meeting in the field of sports. Yeah, any leader speaks for the whole team. If the team faces any problem, the leaders discuss the problems with authorities. He fights for the members of the team. He is the main person who goes forward to talk for the team. Leaders express the ideas, views, and interests of group. Leader represents group is various delegations and meetings. Leaders takes decision on behalf of group. Next is the second point, remove confusions and misconception of the group members. Leader is the experienced and expert in the field. These experience and expertness help the group of understand difficulty step or questions. His or her expert options remove confusions and misconceptions of the members of the group. Next is inspire others. Okay, inspires means leader encourage and inspire others to perform better. Okay, the motivate the group of improves further. She always motivate the group members of to adopt a positive lifestyle. A leader should always appreciate the efforts of the team. Next is improves coordination. Coordination. Improves coordination means leader improves the coordination of group. For a coordination, leaders act as organizer and distribute the work among the followers. The quality helps the group to work in systematic manner. Next is planning for the group. The leader decides the works and means by which the group shall achieve its goal. Due to his role as a planner, the followers develop a feeling that the successful leaders can solve all the problems efficiently. A leader analyzes every aspect in the mind while making plan or policy. Leader has to make short as well as long range planning, and it is up to leader what part of the plan he will let out immediately and what part he will confident only to a few or not at all. Next is role as a motivator. A leader plays an important role in motivator the group. The process of motivator is required in any kind of learning from the beginning to the end of the task. At every step motivation is required. Motivation plays a golden role to learning. Next is the provide recognition of the group. Main recognition. Group leader provides recognition of group in society and impresses everyone. Next is improves improves abilities of the group of members. Improves abilities, improve abilities of the group members. Good leader improves the various skills and abilities of the group members, thus progress of all. This is main role of a leader. So dear students, I hope you are understand this topic. Any student doubt for today this topic, so please send me message in this number. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.